listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay, listen up. Okay.
There is like a number on there. Number or a name or something? Jeez. I can't read that. Micro? I don't know. It's so tiny, you know, they just roll. When the metal rolls out, you know, it rolls onto a die, you know. It's not like it's laser etched onto it or something. So I'm not even going to bother any kind of abrasive of any kind, you know. And WD works beautifully with stainless steel. And all it takes is just a quick rinse. And WD-40, it's been around for so long, and it's so widely used and trusted in industry and all kinds of commercial aspects and everything, because it's, you know, it's not that harmful. It's I wouldn't go, you know, eating it, but it's not like horrible benzene or some kind of, you know, I don't know. It's just one of the milder chemicals that we use in the industry of working on cars or machinery or whatever. Just a type of hose clamp. What makes these special, though, are these little notches. See that? And it goes into the notch right here, yeah, to this notch, and these notches lock the clamp on, and it's meant for, you know, this is, oh, it's even stamped ABG-5. Does anybody out there know what ABG is? Whatever this rubber is made out of, I guess. You can see it's been in that one position for a long time. That's not good. I mean, it's labeled on both. It's labeled on, you know, I guess this would be top and bottom, but you could flip it over to put the clamp. Yeah, I'm not going to bother polishing these. That'd be kind of dumb. And if I know what I'm talking about here. Yeah, this is obviously where the clamp has been its whole life, you know, this imprint right here. And that's, well, that doesn't correspond with this one. See? So it's the other one. So if you put this originally where it has been, and look, that doesn't line up either. Maybe when it's after it's been tightened up, maybe. Because when this is on properly, you shouldn't be able to remove the duct, you know. I bet it does tighten up to that one place. Now, where is the damn... There's the notch. I'm looking right at it. Come on, damn it. Well, this thing is really hard rubber. I was looking at them online, the replacements. Yeah, I guess probably when you tighten it up, it goes to here. Yeah. And that's indexed because of that notch. You can't, you know, just move the... I mean, maybe you could, you know, just move the clamp over a little bit. I don't want to keep on wrenching on this one hole, on this, well, not a hole, it's a dent where the clamp has been forever, its entire life. That's kind of, yeah. Wow. Just got to be careful, yeah. And then this one goes in its own index. Yeah, there we go. See? And that little thing there. And then this is where this has been. And there's barely a mark there where this has been. Isn't that weird? But over here it's almost not a dent in the rubber. That's where the airbox is. It's very odd. Well, yeah, the clamps are nice now. The rubber will be in good shape. Always make sure your rubber's in good shape, guys. You don't want any accidents.
Hasta la vista.